Today it's a very hot day. I can feel it inside from the window, and that's why today I will be focused on the development further for the project itself. So, as we are progressing through the implementation phases, analyzing all the structure with all the particular sections, I would like to remind you that the crude oil washing course is ready. The book, with combination with the course, you will have an unbelievable understanding of how the things are working and for what reason they are working. With this knowledge, then you will be unbeatable. And for sure, you will able to build the tanker fleet that is much required in the industry. So basically, you will position yourself in the much higher level in the market, and the demand for your vessels will be increased because you have less losses, you have less issues with the crude oil washing, and those who knows to analyze these vessels will prefer to use your fleet. So immerse yourself in the magical world of crude oil washing, and let's start with our bunker optimization project. First of all, as you can see, I have prepared some of the principles and the impacts that I have identified through the development of the project itself. And we have also some guiding principles here, and it is, let's say, roughly just a description of how the improvements will take place and in which section. First of all, it is the safety first, which prioritize that every solution we implement and I implement, it is focused on human and operational safety. Next thing is the transparent operations, a clear, auditable, and efficient systems. So that will be part also of the optimization project. The technology utilization, it's one of the sectors and the aspects that plays a huge role as well for understanding which technology we will use in order to implement it smartly and maximize the results. The next thing is the cost reduction. So wherever we build from the technology utilization, I'm looking to the cost reduction in order to create a product which is easy accessible and also easy to maintain later on the phase of operations. And yes, smarter designs which will reduce the overall time, and as I have right here, the reduction of the time by half for the banking operations, because all the systems and all the operations will be redesigned without compromising, let's say, the existing way of operation. It will be much smarter, much easier, and basically, yes, it will be much more clear. The longevity of the design, also the products that will be positioned, the let's say materials, it is long lasting material, it is also recyclable material, sustainable material. In my opinion, I believe, yes, whatever it is recycled, it is sustainable material. And also all that together, all that optimization for efficiency, for safety, for time reduction, it has a huge impact for the emissions reduction. So basically, when a port implemented this structure, it will able to reduce both the emissions, but also as well the traffic. And how this will happen, because operations will be much faster, the vessels will be supplied much faster, but in also in a safer way. So you have less time required in order to supply the vessels as well. And all that thing has a accumulative effect in overall, let's say if we're looking to the area of Rotterdam, which is a busy port. Okay, it's a well-designed port as well. You will see that there this implementation will help a lot to improve the whole supply chain. Because what I have seen also through my experience, that small and tiny changes that when we are making to the supply chain, it has a huge and ongoing effect to the whole line, and that effect is really huge. So by looking the costs of the project itself for let's say purchase it, it is a tiny fraction of what is actually will bring. So the way the guidance will be ready for those that are seeking, let's say, the improvement and continuous excellence on the commercial side and also operationally, it will be easy accessible. And this is the point, that also the information of this project will be easy accessible, so it does not create a barrier. Okay, and this is the point, that also through our all these guidance and all that sections, we do not create any barriers. So the flow of the energy and the flow of the operations will be unbiased. Okay, that is it. That is it. I'm working hard on that. So I have the things that I also input through my experience. It is really fantastic. I can say that I get goosebumps everywhere in the morning when I realize how much value this project will bring. And it's really the redefinition of bunkering operations and the improvement for the industry, for the maritime industry. Real value driven results. Real value. And when my focus is on that, yes, what I'm thinking is, by working smart and created products, these products basically is high value products. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for all the updates, for the latest updates, and we will be in touch. Bye bye.